I think we're getting a bite right now though. Yep, we got a bite. I wonder if he took our worm. It's still on there, but he almost took it. So far it's not bad, guys. I'll probably end up buying one of my own. Heck, for less than $1.50, hard to beat. You can take it on hiking trips or camping trips or just short little fishing trips. Now this isn't going to handle huge bass or huge catfish, but for smaller stuff it does pretty well. We got a bite there. Good fish. Good fish, I think. Or no, wait, he was just spotting hard. He felt funny.